Hi students, today we're going to be reviewing the shapes that we learned last class. So I'm going to be showing you guys some slides with some shapes on them, and I'm going to count down from 3 on my fingers. Okay, I'm going to go 3, 2, 1. And when I reach 1, I want everybody to shout out what they think the name of the shape is, okay? So let's start with this one. What is this shape? So when I get down to 1, okay? Really good, guys. It is a square. You guys remembered from yesterday. And remember, it has 4 even sides. Very good. It is a rectangle. It also has 4 sides, but 2 of them are longer, right? Okay, so for this one, it needs a little bit of explanation. I'm just going to call on one of you guys to answer this question for me. I want to know the difference between a rectangle and a square. So let me ask Bobby. Okay, Bobby, what is the difference between a square and a rectangle? Yeah, there you go. Good, Bobby. Okay, so yeah, the square has the 4 even sides. Remember, they're all equal. The rectangle has 2 sides that are longer than the other 2. Okay, so now we're back to our 3, 2, 1. Good, it is a triangle. It has 3 sides. And this one. Good, class, it is a circle. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys some real world objects, and we're going to do the same thing with the 3, 2, 1, okay? Okay, you guys think this pizza slice is a triangle? Let's see. It is. It has 3 sides to it. Very good job, class. All right, what about this one? Let's see if it's a circle or not. It is a circle. It's one perfectly round shape. Okay, now what about this cereal box? What shape is this? Let's see if you're right. It is. It has 4 sides, but these 2 sides are longer, so it's a rectangle. Okay, what about this one? Good job, class. Another perfectly round shape. It's a circle. Okay, now this one. Good job, guys. You really know your shapes. This one's a square. All right, so for this one, I want to know first, what is the shape of this top graham cracker? Good, it's a rectangle. It's got 2 longer sides. Now, what about this half of the graham cracker? Just this one down here. What shape is that? Really good. It's a square. Okay, now for this one, I want to know the shape of a donut. Good, it's a circle. Okay, and now what about these oranges? Yeah, they are circles. Really good job. A lot of fruits are circles. Okay, now for this one, I'm going to call one student up to the board, and they're going to use the pointer, and they're going to identify one circle that's in this picture. Okay, so let's have Susie. Good job, Susie. These little tarts are circles. Okay, so now back to our 3, 2, 1, okay? So I want to know, what is the shape of these ice cream cones? Good, they're triangles. Now, what about this window right here? What shape is that window? Good, it's a square. What is the shape of this yellow sign? You are correct, it's a rectangle. Now let's see if you guys can identify the shape of this black Lego right here. Really good, guys. It's another rectangle. Now let's see if we can identify the shape of this window, this one right here. It is a square. Very good job, guys. Last one, okay? I want you to tell me what shape this is right here, the one I'm outlining. It's a triangle. Good job. You guys did so great with your shapes today, okay? We're going to keep working on those over the next few class periods, and we're going to really make sure that we got them down solid, okay? But you guys are doing really good stuff, okay? So I will see you guys next time. Have a good day.